Imagine a tornado, but instead of wind, it's made of pure gravity. This is a black hole, a cosmic storm so powerful that not even light can escape. Black holes aren't empty, they're matter crushed into an impossibly small space. Their gravity is so intense, it warps the very fabric of the universe. These monsters are born from the death of massive stars. For millions of years, a giant star balances nuclear fusion, pushing outward against gravity pulling inward. But when the fuel runs out, gravity wins in a catastrophic collapse. The core implodes, triggering a supernova, an explosion that briefly outshines entire galaxies. The outer layers are blasted into space, seeding the cosmos with elements like gold and iron. What remains collapses further. If massive enough, nothing can stop it. Gravity crushes the core into a point of infinite density. A black hole is born. It's the ghost of a star, a gravitational tombstone. All that mass, all that gravity, now occupies a single, infinitesimal point. The patch of space-time is forever changed. This is the birth of a cosmic tornado. A black hole isn't just a gravitational sink, it can spin too. When a spinning star collapses, the black hole inherits that spin, twisting space-time itself. Picture a spinning bowling ball on a rubber sheet, dragging the fabric around with it. This real effect, called frame dragging, was predicted by Einstein. Near a spinning black hole, space and time are forced to rotate. Enter the ergosphere, a region where nothing can remain still. Even the most powerful rocket couldn't resist being swept along. Space and time are so intertwined that both are distorted. An astronaut near a spinning black hole would see their path and their clock warped. Time ticks differently, and straight lines curve. We've measured tiny frame-dragging effects around Earth, but black holes amplify this to cosmic proportions. Imagine space-time churned by 1 billion suns, spinning near light speed. That's the power of a spinning black hole. It's a true vortex in the fabric of the universe. The tornado analogy isn't just poetic, it's real. Black holes are engines that twist the cosmos itself. Black holes bend not just space, but light itself. Near a black hole, light can orbit in circles, creating a warped, surreal sky. The event horizon marks the point of no return, where gravity's pull exceeds even light's speed. Cross it, and escape is impossible. To an astronaut falling in, nothing seems special at first, but to a distant observer, you'd appear to slow, redden, and freeze at the edge, never quite crossing. This is time dilation in action. Gravity warps time as well as space. The movie Interstellar showed this near a black hole. Hours can equal years elsewhere. It's not science fiction, it's Einstein's relativity. The stronger the gravity, the slower time flows. The event horizon is the universe's ultimate one-way door. Beyond it, the rules of reality are rewritten. What happens after you cross the event horizon? For small black holes, tidal forces stretch you into a thin strand, spaghettification. For supermassive black holes you might cross unharmed, but your fate is sealed. Inside, all paths lead inward, space itself falls faster than light. At the center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where physics breaks down. No one knows what truly happens there. The singularity remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Black holes aren't just destroyers, they're creators too. Spinning supermassive black holes launch colossal jets of energy and matter. These jets can trigger the birth of new stars or quench star formation, shaping entire galaxies. Nearly every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its core. The mass of the black hole and the galaxy's central bulge are linked, suggesting a deep relationship. Black holes help sculpt the universe, making galaxies and life possible. The supernovae that create black holes also forge the elements in our bodies. We exist because black holes exist. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, a cosmic tornado is shaping the universe. Black holes are not just the end, they're part of our beginning.